Good day. Today I will show you how you can send patient forms using the PX portal or the Patient Express dashboard. First, you just need to access your PX dashboard, and then click on the patient that you want to send a form. A pop-up will then show up to the screen displaying the patient info page. Go ahead and click on the chain link icon on the pop-up to attach forms to the patient. You will then be given an option to select the form you wish to send. For this instance, I will be attaching the authorization form from the list. And then you will also have an option what way you want the patient to sign. The Sign Right Now option can be used for patients who's in the clinic, so they can sign the form on the clinic's tablet, or you can also select either send email or text or both for upcoming patients. For this instance, I will be selecting send email for us to see how the patient will sign it and what will be the outcome. We can now go ahead and click on the submit button. This is the sample email that will be sent to the patient. This email is a sample template, so this can still be changed. Patient will then be asked to verify date of birth. Once verified, it will now show the forms that the patient need to fill out. Patient will now go ahead and sign the boxes that are required for the form, and once everything is filled out, they will just need to click on the submit button. Once they have submitted the form, patient will then be asked if they want to receive a copy of their form with their preferred email, and then they will receive a thank you message. Once this thank you message is received by the patient, it will then be instantly available for the clinic to access the patient form located on the imaging folder. And that is it. That is how you can send out patient forms using the PX dashboard. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.